That's why I love pulling up right here, man. Because shit just, woo! Second me. We're like 8 cars deep right now. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. Sheesh.
Turn left, then turn left.
If you think I ended up in third, it's only because I didn't know where I was going. I was just looking to make sure that we all got there, that I got here. That's it, and that's all.
Head west. In 600 feet, turn right.
I think KP took the wicker down a little bit. I don't know if it was him or not, but somebody had a fat wicker the last time we were out here. Nasty. You talking about when they hit the shoulder?
No, I'm glad I'm getting a rep this week. You ain't the only one, right?
Y'all see that BMW go crazy? Sheesh. Denali. Carbon fiber. Is this the one that was at the meet? Cut across. Smooth color on the 392. That's gotta be the most popular black tint or wrap. Black boy!
Looks like you got the turbos in there. That's SRT. He said what? He said you gotta watch out for it. Oh my God.
Six with the strong wrap.
And I had it till Monday.
miss it.
Hey, go ahead and take the car out today, but I swear, it's not up to anybody better than taking one out. I see a TikTok video of you losing somebody in my car. I'm gonna fucking flip out.
I love that. That's fucking hilarious.
Fucking left it at my house, muggy.
That's turbo in there. See. Nothing to play with. Hurricane. I'm telling you, this is the new most popular rap. I don't know what that's called, but it's nice though.
Look at the roof. Holy crap. Yeah, that's so cool. Don't talk about it. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to get I had to come over and say, what's up? What's going on here? He's like, do you want to run? And he's like, I got a boot for you. We just hopped on the freeway.
Okay. It's a gnarly rap. Well, that's meet number 2, man. Getting to meet number 2 is a lot further than getting to meet number 1. Yeah, saw too many police out there, you know what I'm saying? Somebody got pulled over, but it wasn't us, you know what I'm saying? Somehow we made that shape, so. Ooh. Man. Crazy. That Ferrari over there look kind of decent. They made the Ferrari a station wagon. That's a crazy rap, though. But no, that's a wagon. It's still a wagon.
I think look at that GTR, nigga. That's those are the type of size.
It's a fat ass tires.
Oh yeah, the hearse. Oh, he's driving on the other side. I think I seen him last year.
Leaving in like 5 minutes. Same tip. This shit done died.
Shit up here. I like that color on it.
Turquoise.
It's an accident. His ass is deceased. I know. Think if a motherfucker stepped on his shit. That motherfucker gonna fly. Yeah.
At least they're self-aware.
I would give like
No, let me say something.
All right, y'all. It was time to head out, man. It was starting to get cold. It was starting to get, you know what I'm saying, starting to get overly packed in there. I probably headed out at the peak though, you know, when the most cars were there. Man, you saw we had a crazy lineup pulling out today. Sometimes we have a nice lineup. Sometimes, you know, it's a little bit calmer. But man, that was a fun meet. At least 4 or 5 other people out there that, you know, met up from last year. I know y'all saw the Lamborghinis, the builts not bought. Woo, the superchargers that people just get to throwing on their cars. I'm surprised y'all not out here just busting up engines and stuff, but it looks good out there, man. I can't wait to have more meets. I mean, the exotic cars going crazy. I know you guys saw that Ferrari in there with the station wagon Ferrari with the double intake. That's not something you can make up, man. That was some real power coming out of there. It wasn't for me personally. Neither was the rap. It was cool, but it wasn't for me personally. But man, Mopar muscle is out there, stupid crazy. Happy everybody's always out there representing. And that same built Mopar was out there from earlier. On a custom intake, probably had a supercharger on there, just all types of different gadgets on that mug. I'm pretty sure Dre is still the only person with the 2021 red eye. It might be some other red eyes out there. We saw the fake red eye. I don't know what people be doing. Regardless, and it wasn't even built. You saw when we looked in a little bit closer on the intake manifold, there was no red eye on there, and it wasn't built. I don't even think the pulleys were different. The pulleys look like the same. I think all the Hellcats have green pulleys. So, hey, do what you want, you know. But it looked nice. You don't gotta stun if it just have it look nice, you know. Let me see what else was out there, man. The NSX with the chrome wrap. That was probably, for me, that was probably the cleanest car out there. A lot of rally cars out there too. The Viper gang, I saw. You can't deny the Viper is one of the slickest bodies out there. It sits really low along with like the Corvette style, as far as like height goes. But I like the Viper a little bit more. I can't lie to you. Just based off of the history behind Viper, I think that's where that comes from, and just that V10, you can't. That's not an everyday car that you see. You know, you'll see a Corvette here and there, but you don't see Vipers, not like that, not on the road. Man, linked up with SRT Dre, we was out there. SRT KP was out there, and there was another SRT. He's in there. He was in that blue Scat, I think, 392 Scat, something like that out there. But the run out to the second spot was amazing. That was love. I think just getting to the different spots is probably my favorite part. Anybody that got pulled over today, man, I hope y'all, you know, pay your tickets, do your community service, man. Do whatever you got to do. Oh, we saw the T-Rex out there too. Man, it was a nice wrap up to the day, man. So y'all got 2 different videos on the way, man. You can't knock this. You can't fake this. It is what it is. And remember, when you with them other YouTube channels, it's business. But when you with us, it's family. You know what it is, man. Make sure y'all stay up. Comment down below if y'all want to see something different. I'll start putting out what I can and giving you guys, you know, new information. Do some burnouts and all that. Show you guys exactly what this is all about. All right, y'all. Be easy.